have to learn some important grammar section. Remember, I said some important grammar section, not all the grammar section. 10 different teachers will teach you 10 different things, right? But you remember one thing, if you want to learn exactly the way I learned, you have to learn exactly the way I learned. And this secret only my students can understand. It means those students who are coming to me to join my class, those students who are taking tuitions from me, they are coming to know this secret of my English confidence. And that's why after some days they also start speaking in English just like the way I always do. তো তোমরা যদি গ্রামারের বেসটাকে, তোমরা যদি গ্রামারের ফাউন্ডেশনটাকে স্ট্রং করতে চাও, আর যদি ইংরেজিতে তোমরাও মাতৃভাষার মতো বা নেটিভ স্পিকারদের মতো অথবা আমার মতো ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চাও, then you gotta know all these important grammar section to be a great speaker. And when you can speak well, you can be the leader. Leaders are always great speakers, right?